In this tutorial, we will demonstrate the features of the new Lightspeed Web and Mobile platform using the app. The new Lightspeed Web and Mobile app has been upgraded to provide more features and improve the ease of use. After you downloaded the Lightspeed mobile app, tap the Lightspeed icon on your device and type in your username and password and press Login. The app will load quickly and has the following tabs across the top: Quotes, Positions, Orders, Price Alerts, and Account. When you click on the Quotes tab, type in a stock symbol in the search field and then the plus sign on the right-hand side to add the symbol to your quotes watch list. Anytime you click on a symbol on your watch list, it will pop up a real-time quote with the real-time streaming last price, change, percent change, bid, and ask. It displays a real-time chart that you can zoom in and out using 2 fingers on the screen. It also has tabs for options and time and sales. From this screen, you can delete the symbol from your watch list by tapping the minus sign. You can also place a trade by tapping Trade and set an alert by tapping the bell. To go back to the main screen, tap the arrow pointing to the left in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. If you tap on the Positions tab, you will see any positions that you have in your account. If you tap on one of your positions, it brings up details of your position, quantity, P&L average price, market value, and position creation date. Tap on the Charts tab, and it will bring you to the Charts screen where you can place a trade. We will do that now to close out the position. Tap the Orders tab to see your orders and the status of each order. Tap the Price Alerts to set an alert. Tap the Account tab, where you can see your account details, account value, buying power, and P&L. The new Lightspeed Web and Mobile app provides a streamlined tool to manage your account, get quotes, view charts, and place trades. For other trading tutorials or education videos, check out our website and YouTube channel.